Dr. Stern here today, and today I'm going to share with you 4 things you have to know about legumes and digestion. So many people reach out to me from across the country and want to know if legumes are safe for their health and for their digestive tract. It can cause gas, bloating, and a lot of digestive irregularities, and they're nervous about it, and rightfully so. So let me teach you 4 things about legumes to allow you to have a better understanding of how to eat these if you choose to. Number 1, legumes have a plant protein called lectins. Now what are lectins? They're plant proteins, and they could definitely impair your digestion. This is how. These lectins bind to the intestinal wall of your digestive tract and increase something called zonulin. The zonulin opens up the intestinal wall and allows things that get from the digestive tract into the bloodstream that do not belong there. Those things are going to trigger an inflammatory response and affect so many aspects of your health. It could affect your skin, your joints, your thyroid. So many things can be impaired, including digestive health, if this zonulin is increased and increases your intestinal permeability, also called leaky gut syndrome. So these lectins bind to the intestinal wall and create this inflammatory process. Number 2 thing you need to know about legumes is that they have something in it called phytic acid. Now phytic acid is stored phosphorus, and why this is so important is because phytic acid binds to vital minerals that you need for optimal health: calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc. These minerals that you think you're getting from legumes, you are not going to be getting if the phytic acid is bound to them. So it's very important that you know when you're eating legumes, they contain phytic acid, and it will actually diminish your vital nutrient absorption. So the 3rd thing you need to know after those first 2, if that scares you away from eating legumes, because those are the things that are going to have a negative impact on your health. Those are the things that are going to have a negative impact on your digestion, the bloating, the gas. That's where it comes from, your inability to digest these nutrients. However, number 3, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Those are what you get from legumes as well. Vital nutrients that allow your body to function better. It has been shown in numerous studies that fiber from legumes is really healthy. And people out there who are vegetarians or vegans desperately need legumes as part of their diet to get the protein and nutrient quantity. So how do we deal with that dilemma? That the first 2 things here, lectins and phytic acid, can have such a negative impact on your health, whereas the 3rd thing, the fiber, the protein, the vitamins and minerals, can have such a positive influence on your health. And that's where we come to number 4, soak and cook. Soaking your beans overnight. What you're going to do is you're going to take your legumes, put them in a pot with water filled over it, about 2 inches above. Make sure the water's cold, and put 2 tablespoons of salt in there. Soak them at least 12 hours. If you do that, it dramatically reduces the lectins and the phytic acid. And then, when you cook your legumes, make sure you're cooking them for 7.5 minutes in a pressure cooker, or if you're going to use a stove, 15 minutes. If you do that, again, you're going to drastically reduce the lectins, the phytic acid, and then allow for your body to get the fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals that's going to allow your body to function at 100%. So if you do want to eat legumes and you're nervous about it having a negative impact on your digestion, follow number 4. Soak your beans overnight in cold water with 2 tablespoons of salt, and make sure you're properly cooking them to reduce those damaging lectins and the mineral binding phytic acid. Okay? I hope this information helps on your journey to better health. I'll be seeing you soon. Have an amazing day.